Transit Authority Terminal, the hub for transportation to the greater Monstropolis area. Regularly scheduled trains and buses depart hourly. Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poe!
Oh, googly bear!
It rolled me up and down like a yo-yo. It was horrible. I was minding my own business when this human child froze me with its telepathic control and made me dance like a chicken.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Oh, there's a kid here! Sweet monster in the sky!
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Celia, trying to understand.
Come on, this way.
Situation is 99 0. Secure the area. Get a position. Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here.
Be on the lookout for this child.
Celia, trying to understand.
I ain't working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scale floor.
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there, kiddo.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Still go? Oh, no. Simon!
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
No, you're happy!
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep now.
Nothing to worry about, folks. We do have the standard decontamination. We have to do this for your own good.
We responded to a 2319 progress report at the scene where we immediately secured the area quickly. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status 9900.
You all have to get decontaminated.
That's chemical out here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area quickly. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status.
You guys in the third row.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the
Hello, humans.
We spread out and locked it
Young
down.
man in the first row. Hey, you left the lens cap on. Just kidding. Make sure you get my good side. If I'd known you were coming, I would have fixed my makeup.